Hey everyone, welcome back again. In the previous video, we talked about step 1, understanding the problem clearly. If you haven't watched that video, I recommend watching it first. Today, we are moving to step 2, and this step is very powerful. Step 2 is define a clear goal. Defining a goal means answering one simple question: what exactly should my program do? Not long explanation, just one clear sentence. Many beginners start coding without a goal. They write some code, then change it, then add more code. Finally, they don't even know what the program is supposed to do. This happens because the goal is not clear. A clear goal helps you stay focused, avoid unnecessary code, reduce confusion, finish the program faster. Think of it like Google Maps. If you don't know your destination, no road will feel correct. Writing a goal is very easy. Follow this rule: one sentence, simple words, clear action. Example: this program checks temperature and shows a warning if it is high. Let's take a simple example again. Problem: if distance is less than 10 centimeters, turn on the buzzer. Now the goal becomes: this program measures distance and turns on a buzzer when the distance is less than 10 centimeters. That's it. Now your brain knows exactly what to build. A good goal usually includes: what input is used, what action happens, what output is produced. You don't need technical words. Simple English is more than enough. Always write the goal before coding. Write it in your notebook, at the top of your program as a comment, or on a paper. Professional programmers do this all the time. Bad goal: make a program. Good goal: this program reads sensor data and displays a warning message when the value is high. See the difference? Clear goal equals clear code. Let's quickly summarize step 2. Before coding, write one clear sentence. Describe what the program should do. Keep it simple. This one step can save you hours of debugging. In the next video, we'll go to step 3, breaking the problem into small steps. This step makes big problems feel very easy. Subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.